Okay. Let's wake her up. Haley.
Haley. Haley.
Haley.
Haley.
Babe. Haley. Haley.
What?
We're here.
Where are we?
Come here and look at me. I'm about to tell you what we're doing.
Where?
We're coming here to see the Wildcrats live.
Live?
Yep. Them.
We're gonna meet them?
Yep. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna get out of the car soon. We're gonna go see them. Okay?
I'm scared.
No, you're nervous. Don't be nervous. They're gonna do a show and they're gonna show us animals and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. In real life. In real life.
In
We're
real
gonna be
life.
right. We're gonna be up and we're gonna see it in real life.
I hope it's the snake one.
I don't know. I think they're gonna show us different animals. You excited?
Yes.
Was it a good surprise?
Yeah.
You happy we waited to tell you?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sleepyhead.
You got drool on your chin. There you go.